How to activate your Halifax credit card. Let's get started. First up is phone activation. This is probably the easiest way to activate your card without logging into anything. Just grab your phone and call the number you see on the sticker attached to your new card. Once you're on the call, follow the simple automated instructions. You'll likely be asked to enter your card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code on the back. After entering those details, the automated system will confirm the activation. Within moments, your card will be activated. Next method is visiting ATM. You can activate your card during a simple ATM transaction. All you need to do is insert your card into the machine and complete a small transaction like checking your balance or withdrawing cash. The ATM will recognize your new card and it will be activated automatically during the transaction. Or you can visit the Halifax webpage from where you can easily activate your credit card. You just have to fill out this form, provide all the details, and then your card will be activated. And that's it. This is how you can easily activate your Halifax credit card. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.